is going on? This is TwoHats Excel here with a new video. I'm going to be covering a template today, but before I do that, I wanted to show off my stock tracker really quick. It's still a work in progress, but I thought it was fitting because the day that I'm recording this, it's August 14th, a Wednesday, 2019, and today has been the worst day of the year for the stock market. And it pretty much sucks because, well, I'm mostly invested in index funds, but the few stocks that I am invested in all went down. Well, besides Wendy's, but I barely have any stocks of that. Disney, I bought before their earnings, and they didn't meet their earnings. And, well, let me just talk about earnings real quick. Analysts will predict how much a stock will earn per the share, and sometimes the stock will exceed it and sometimes it'll not meet it, and they predicted way too high for Disney and they didn't meet it. Like, they didn't even get close to meeting it. That's why it tanked so much. I think I was out like around $80-$60, somewhere around that range, but today took a huge hit on it and now I'm down 116. It's whatever though. I have faith in the company. Actually, let me just refresh this, see how much I'm actually down. And then Progressive, I think I bought that like 2 days ago and tanked today, so I'm down about 155. But if you look at all the stocks, all of them went down today basically. Like a very few didn't. Like let's see if I could find one. Jack in the Box went up 0.31%. That's barely anything though. Papa John's 0.66%, barely anything. Wingstop 0.84, and then Wendy's 0.15. Sucks for Macy's. They went down 13.27%, and then Kohl's like 10.97. The thing that I wanted to talk about today was I just wanted to show you guys my stock tracker because I'll be working on it in the future. Right now it's not that great, but I wanted to cover a template today, the seasonal photo calendar. It's the first one that I've checked out of all the templates that Excel offers, and I think it looks really great. Whoever designed this did a wonderful job, I think. So it lets you choose what year you want over here. So let's go with 2020 for next year. And then it lets you choose if you want to start it on a Sunday or Monday. So if you like starting your weeks on Monday, then you could choose it. The formulas look a little complicated, but honestly, they don't look that bad. One of the key reasons why I like this is because they kept it pretty simple and basic, which I like. See, like, I think this calendar would be great for marking holidays and birthdays on. I don't think it would be that great for like marking dentist appointments and other things like that because you have your phone for that. So I think this is more of a I would use this as like a printout calendar with all the birthdays and holidays of the year of my friends and family. I also like the word art up here, or the photos that they have. I think it looks really nice. If you don't like that, you could just delete it too. Add in your own. Overall, I'd rate this a 10 out of 10. Whoever made this did an excellent job, I think, on it. And some people think calendars aren't going to be used in the future. Same with analog clocks, and I think that's just not true. Because your phone's always going to have a calendar on it. Same with an analog clock. Even if no one wants them physically, they're going to be there digitally. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And this is TwoHats Excel. Have a great day.